Normally, my boys and I come once a week for adjustments. We've been coming for years. I couldn't even tell you how many years anymore, maybe 6. So, the surprise benefits that are received after receiving chiropractic care are the overall awarenesses you have of your body and what's going on with your body and when something's not in tune. And that's the biggest thing that I can always bring back to Dr. Cody every week when I come for the adjustments, so we can continually to work on progressive health. Again, it's made me more aware of what's going on with my body, and it's also made me really consider what the medical side can do to your body, and to balance that with good chiropractic care so that some of the medical side isn't always necessary. You know, there's times it definitely is, but I like the idea of preventing and finding out the problem versus treating the symptoms. And as far as my children, when they get sick, the first doctor I call is not the pediatrician. I call Cody Chiropractic, and they say, bring them on in. I mean, they'll come in with fevers, they'll come in with upset stomachs, they'll come in with a lot of different things. And what I want is their body to be adjusted so that it can fight whatever infection, virus that their body is being attacked by to the best of its ability before we start using other medical products. So it has really affected my children's lives in that way as far as coming to the doctor, and also it has helped my son with his asthma. In fact, today is the first day he is off his asthma medicine, and hopefully he will be off his asthma medicine for the rest of his life. Besides me not having lower back pain anymore is just the continued effort that I want to have and that I work for and that I get with all the doctors and everyone who works for Dr. Cody in his office as far as continually working and striving for better health, not only for me but for my children. As far as, you know, if I have questions with nutrition or how something works, I'll go to Dr. Cody and I'll say, I heard about this, I'll hear about that, and he'll say, Debbie, now let's think about this, and we'll talk about it. And he always shows me that insight that I'm like, oh yeah, that's right. It always comes back to your nervous system and your spinal cord, and how your body's going to handle things, and being natural. And that's probably the biggest thing that I've taken from chiropractic.